In this video, you will learn how to insert an image in the background of Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. If you want the background image on only one page, go to Insert, choose the image, then insert the picture there, change its wrap text to behind text, resize it to cover the page, and this way, the image will appear as a background only on that page. Many people try to insert a picture and send it backward, but that does not work properly for a true background. So, you will learn the correct method that Word provides for adding a background image. First, open your Word document. Make sure you are on the page where you want the background image to appear. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Design tab. In the Design tab, look for an option called Watermark. Click on Watermark and then choose Custom Watermark at the bottom of the menu. A new window will open with watermark settings. In this window, select the option called Picture Watermark. After selecting it, click on Select Picture. Now choose the image from your computer that you want to use as a background. After selecting the image, click Insert. You will also see an option called Scale. You can adjust this if the image looks too small or too large. Click Apply to see the preview. Keep the Washout option checked if you want the image to appear light so your text remains clearly visible on top of it. Finally, click OK. You will now see the image placed behind the text on every page of your document. This is the proper way to add a background image in Word because it does not disturb your text and stays fixed in the background. If this tutorial helped you understand how to insert an image in the background of Word in a simple way, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly Microsoft Word tutorials.